Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we would like to talk about market sentiment, and we will talk about a crypto. So this video will be more for the crypto traders to determine the market mood, the sentiment, the disbelief, the capitulation, the hopium, the euphoria on the market on a different time frames. I use my personal indicator, market mood. But I would like to show you today another website, another source what you can use if you still don't have the subscription on my indicators. On my indicator market mode, it's showing us the best time. I realize so on the weekly time frame, it's the best time. When we trade in capitulation zone, we just can track how this mood playing out on a history. So this capitulation zone on the weekly time frame, even better if we drop into capitulation on the monthly time frame. So this is a capitulation, we consolidate, crash it down even lower a little bit. For example, trade September 18, February 19. New cycle to the moon, everything, just a history. So this is a crash made Zone 22, crash again, FTX, everything you remember, and to the moon. Now, imagine we at 68, we trade again in the gray zone since January 26, and it's basically the good time for accumulation or long run. But here's an unbiased beta website from the Crypto Quant to check the sentiment in the crypto space and work carefully because it's not a signals. This website combine all total analyst calls in social and build the one consensus chart. This is an analyst. Now it's 119 analysts. Step by step, they added more and more and more. 85 from X. So this website track the calls, some posts from the social, right? And the 34, it's from Crypto Quant. You can click on any source, original source, check the calls, active, accuracy of his calls. If you have accounts, you can just bookmark and add to the watch list your favorite analysts. If you don't want to go sign in, you just can use it just to track the data, So we can go to the consensus. In consensus, we have like 152 opinions, guys. It's just an opinions. It's not a calls. It's not a magic. It's not like I don't know, advices or suggestions. It's just the people share but their opinion, but we can determine what's going on now in crypto space. And it's give us a lot of information also. 111 opinions and 40 bearish, 60 bullish, strong accumulation and extreme fear greed. We can double check the chat here. Some latest news, latest posts, the explanation why they bullish or bearish, you choose the time frame. So it's kind of good one. It's a consensus of the crypto top based on the Crypto Quant choice, top influencer and analysts. Step by step, they add the tokens, I guess, because previously it was only the BTC. Now they add the Ethereum and Aave. You can connect the Telegram and get notification from your favorite analysts. On the main page, we can track the chart. 7 days, 1 month. And here, everybody is bearish. So the mood, sentiment of the crowd in the crypto space, now bearish, basically since January 30. So all February, we are now in bearish mood. So it's kind of good. This is top active analyst, bull expert, bear expert, long-term, short-term, most balanced buy calls, check it, 17K calls. It's just mind-blowing. 6 months, year, even the year time frame bearish now. It's kind of interesting, how at the top everybody being so bullish, and this is example how almost usual but not all the time the crowd can be wrong even with the top analysts, because here it was correct, everybody being so bullish, here's so bearish, but after that when we sweep the high, everybody once again the flip to the bullish. So this is the greatest example how you can track, for example, for 7 days, last 7 days. Now everybody bearish, but it doesn't mean they open short position. To track the long-short ratio, you can double check open source, for example, on Hyperliquid. You can choose the pairs or Ethereum also. This was a bullish one. Now everybody's bearish. It's just consensus. It's give you a lot of information, because you can track the breadth of crypto space. And last things, what I would like to show you, the example on Benjamin Cohen. This is a great guy, the great analyst, but a lot of people, a lot of new users follow the steps and follow the idea of big accounts just blindly, because even if someone shared the opposite idea, the big account, of course the majority will follow the big account, because this is how the human psychology works. People think the Benjamin, for example, all the time right, but take a look the chart, all his posts, for example, and here he been bearish here since May 2023. All this period he been bearish. I talk about we have to go lower, and after that we hit the new all-time high. Here we also like bullish, he bearish, bullish, he correct. Now he bearish, correct, and so now he been bullish. So everybody forgot about this one when he being bullish at the top, and now after drop, for example, to 86k, he flipped to bearish. So total bull, total bear calls 43%. Bullish now, his rates and his recent calls. That's why, guys, it's kind of interesting visualization of the latest post by social. I don't know exactly how do they count the post, maybe some parser, but it's kind of interesting. Website, a link will be on the description below. It's totally for free. Also, if you would like to use this indicator on the chart to remind the local daily, monthly sentiment, you can write me DM. Link will be also on the description below. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel and don't forget Joe Matagum channel. See you next time, guys.